Cheap. Nice. We need more levels like this in GD. Like levels like this, you know, themed, you know, unique, good art, you know, just wacky stuff, you know, stuff we've never seen before. We need more of this. This is awesome. Obviously, if you know the song from YouTube, you know what the fucking point is. It's awesome. I love the whole idea of the level. It looks good. It plays good. I think the second half of the level is a bit, you know, harder than the first one, but still nothing too crazy. And the I didn't really bother to get. I've heard that they made the level more annoying, so I just didn't bother. But you know, if you really want the coins and be a completionist, go for it. But anyway, check out the level though. It's really fun actually, and I really like how it looks. Like the decoration is spot on. GG. I would say medium demon.